I'm Brent Daniels, and I'm a music producer. I owe my career in the music industry to the incredible teachers I had growing up and the skills that they helped me to develop. So I'm a huge advocate for education. And I'm an advocate for students using the technology they have in their lives to create amazing things and to express themselves, just like I do. I created my virtual music technology program as a vehicle to show students how they can use the devices in their everyday lives to make music too. And because we're doing this over the internet, I can bring any school with any size audience from anywhere in the world into my studio here for a close-up look at the tools and techniques that they can use to make amazing things. But here's the cool thing. This is not an ordinary streaming concert or Zoom meeting. This is a truly interactive entertainment and distance learning experience. Students contribute to the show in real time. I'm sampling their vocals into my system and spitting it back out right to their AirPods or whatever they're wearing. We're doing on-the-fly sound design with remote, real-time contributions from the audience. And I'm building a track from the ground up throughout the program before their very ears and eyes with the input from their mics. And every student has the best seat in the house for this process.
How do I get my voice in here?
I am the eye in the sky.
I will show you right now, and for this I actually need some help, so I need a volunteer to help me out. We're gonna start making some sounds with this digital sampler. Let me look at my audience here. Who wants to give me a little vocal riff? Who would love to sing? We've got lots of singers. Oh, this is great. A lot of people are into the idea of singing. Someone's raising the roof. Gabby, wanna try it?
Like that? Okay.
Yeah, try it. 1, 2, go.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
That's awesome! We got you on the ski.
Whoa, yeah.
Okay, cool. Everybody give Gabby a big hand for giving a vocal. That's great. We're totally gonna use that. I love it. It's going to loop. It's gonna keep repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop back to the 1. Right? 2, go. 3, and 4. Nice. We have our singer.
Whoa, yeah.
Now we can start adding other parts into this mix.
Meow. Meow.
The cat had a little thing in its throat at the end. Okay, I'm gonna edit to that part.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Hey, that's a solid note, dude. You guys, we got some stuff here we can work with. That cat's a genius. All right, we got a singer.
Whoa, yeah.
I love it.
Whoa, yeah.
I got a cat. Yeah, the cat in the reverb. Let's maybe put the cat in the upbeats like.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
That's super cool.
You know, if you want to hold the attention of a few hundred kids for an hour, especially the younger ones, you're going to have to make it fun. But there's a very important message embedded in my program as well. Your education is important. I want the students to know that as amazing and as fun as these tools are, they're just tools. They're not going to make you a smarter or more creative person. They're not going to write a hit song. That comes from them. So the skills that they're developing in math, science, music, problem-solving skills, just learning how to learn, these are the critical things that will allow them to do what I'm showing them in my program. And they can develop those same skills with the help of their teachers in school. So yeah, we have a great time in the show, but it's really just an effective way to engage these students and get them excited about the power and potential of their education.